Okay, now let's add table. Okay, this part is table, and as you can see, there is a head for the table, and there is normal, you can say normal rows inside the table. In order to create such a thing, you need to include table tag. Inside the table tag, we have row. Every single line of this table is row. Inside the row, we have th for t header. Normally, we have two th inside the first row, right? And then we have another row, but the cells inside the normal rows are called td. Okay, so we have also td. So the number of columns needs to be, the same. Actually, it doesn't have to be the same, but let's do it right now as we have on the final project. Okay, so we have also another td. Then we have two row more. We have two more rows. So I will copy this row, paste it two times. Let's copy the content. The first row, which has the header of the table, have title and the price. So title, let's type it something home price. The second one, which is data. The first one is just for the title. The price is £10. Okay. Mm, Cappuccino. The price of it is £4. Of course, it's not any better, but it's okay. And the last one is £5. Okay. You can of course modify it. It has no effect in HTML as you can notice. I need to make the code clean. Okay. If we refresh our page, uh, as you can see, same as here, right? Same as here. So we can add some styling also on the table inside the HTML, but I don't like using HTML attributes in order to style anything, okay? Because it's not practical. And when we start styling in CSS, you will notice the difference. So now we are now with table part, and let's move to the next part.